afternoon, good evening. From wherever you're watching me from, this is Sam Ongoro. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube name is Sam Ongoro. Now, I love dogs. And I believe I have a thing about dogs. Everywhere I go, when I see a dog, I love them dogs. I have to stop and take a video of it. So I'm kind of obsessed with dogs. Whenever I come across a dog, boy, it leaves me feeling wow, so that I stop and take a video. Dogs are amazing. What you see there is a Chihuahua, a white dog. A white Chihuahua. Actually, this Chihuahua is very cute. Very, very, very cute. This is a very cute dog, Chihuahua. And it looks to be very happy. It's a happy Chihuahua. Thank you very much for watching and always watching my videos. Thank you very much. I really don't take you for granted, but I do appreciate you so much. Thank you for always watching. Look at that dog. That dog looks awesome. It's an awesome dog. See? That dog looks